going to tell you the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. What is possessive adjective? Possessive adjective my. You know very well my, your, our, her, their. You know the meaning of these words. These words are possessive adjective. Why they are called adjective? Because they are used always with noun. My is not used without a noun. You may say my pen, my house. Means these are the possessive adjective. They are used plus noun. My plus noun, your plus noun, our plus noun, her plus noun, their plus noun. You can say your. We say this is your pen, this is your book. What is your father? Your plus noun. Our. India is our country. This is our school. Her and their. Both they all are used with noun. They are also possessive. What is the meaning of possessive? Possessive means if we have something. I have this pen, so this is my pen. So my is possessive. The meaning of these my and mine both are same, but the uses are different. Mine is used. This is also possessive, but here noun is hidden. Noun hidden or removed. We have noun, but we don't want to use. Then we use possessive pronoun. I am giving the example what the difference between my and mine. You can note down first. Possessive adjective my, your, our, her, their. Possessive pronoun mine, yours, ours, hers, theirs. They are always used with noun. They have noun, but noun is either hidden or removed. When we don't need noun, we have noun, but we don't want to use, then we use possessive pronoun. I am giving the example. Suppose this is pen, my and mine. We have to fill. This is my. We know very well. Why my? Because noun is given. My pen. If I say in two sentences, we have to fill my or mine. So it is mine. So here we have to fill adjective because noun is given. Adjective comes before noun. Here pen is hidden. It is mine. I am showing the pen, but I am saying it is mine. So I am using mine. Here what is hidden? Pen. This pen is here. We have to use here. Then mine, because here pen is removed. Pen is removed from this place to this place. So when noun is hidden or noun is removed, we use mine. When we use noun, then we use my. Some other examples I am now. Next example. Option is our and ours. Okay. OUR. So India is country. What we will fill? Our or our. Noun is given. India is our country. Okay. Now I say Kashmir is. Kashmir is. Ours. Here noun is not given. Noun is not given. It means ours. Got it? Next, one more example. This is your or yours. What we will fill? Yours. This is your pen. Now this pen is yours. What we will fill? Yours. Or if I say it is, what we will fill? Yours. Noun is not given. Yeah. So now we know very well, when noun is given, we use my, your, our, her, their. But when noun is not given, or noun is hidden, or noun is removed, we will use mine, yours, ours, hers, theirs. Is it clear? If you have any problem, then you can ask me on my mobile number. You can send the message to me. Thank you very much.